Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Havells InstaCook QT induction stove. This is what the induction stove looks like. As you can see, this comes with 4 cooking options. It has 1 year of warranty on the product and 3 years of warranty on the heating coil. The induction cooker is a 1200 watt induction cooker. It has intelligent programs, auto pan detection sensor and double MOV technology as well. It says over here this is eco-friendly. There is no flame, no smoke and radiation. It makes it safe and eco-friendly. Faster cooking ensures fresh food. It's energy efficient. It's low maintenance. It's very portable. It's super lightweight. And yeah, that's more or less it. This also comes with a 2-hour timer. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. There you go. This is what you will find inside the box. This is an operating instructions manual for the InstaCook QT induction stove. Everything that you want to know, do's and don'ts, maintenance, all the different functions, they're mentioned here. There's also a warranty card at the back, so it's an important document. And this is what the InstaCook QT from Havells look like. This is an induction stove. This part is made out of ceramic. This is a ceramic heating plate. It's written over here, dry braise is not allowed. The ceramic plate is hot after cooking. Please don't touch with your hands. So the idea is that once you're done cooking, you should let it rest for a couple of minutes because the plate is still hot and you have to wait for it to cool down. And speaking of cooling, there is a fan at the back. So this is the fan. This fan will do all the cooling. Notice this is a pretty large fan. This is a 1200 watt. There's a 1200 watt heating element inside. So this fan is part of that. We also have this console over here. Notice there are 4 presets: manual, milk tea, curry and fry. These are the 4 menu options, presets that you get, along with plus minus for changing temperature and timing. Then this button is to power it on and off. And finally, we have around a meter long thick PVC power cable. There you go, you can see it's a pretty thick PVC power cable with a 3-pin plug on one end. And this is it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Havells InstaCook QT induction stove. Thank you for watching.